Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to transfer contacts to Gmail. So first thing first, export your contacts if you haven't already. Just sign into Google Contacts with your old account and in the left sidebar click Contacts or choose specific label or group. Click Select All, then click More. Choose Export, then select Google CSV Best for Gmail. Then click Export and save file to your computer. Now, let's move your contacts into your new Google account. Go to contacts.google.com, then sign in with your new Gmail account. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before continuing. Now look at the left bar, then click More. Select Import and a small import window will pop up. Just select File, then browse your computer and choose the exported CSV or VCF file. Click Open and this will tell Google which contacts you want to add. If your file contains multiple groups or labels, you can import all contacts or choose a specific group. This is useful if you only want work contacts, family, or certain lists. Now, click on the Import button and Google will begin uploading your contacts. Depending on how many contacts you have, this can take a few seconds to a few minutes. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.